Today we're testing who can make Angry Birds the best. Claude, Codex, Gemini, or Grok. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're going into our GigaBrain. We're going to go into the GigaGrid, and we have all four already set up. I'm going to drag over my master prompt to remake it. Okay, and if you see here, it's called Angry Babes benchmark prompt because we are actually changing the name from Angry Birds to Angry Babes, and it's going to be angry wives mad at their husbands and their homes, and you're sending them off to go like beat them up pretty much. So we're going to, it's going to still look exactly like Angry Birds. I'm going to tell each one who they are in this competition and to build the game. You are Claude in this competition and you will be remaking this game. Go ahead and remake it and pop it up for me when you are done. So there we go. There's the full prompt file and then the little prompt that tells them who they are. And then I'm going to drag over the game developer skill and I will do that for each of these. Okay, they're all set up. I'm going to go ahead and start hitting enter. And we will also be seeing who can complete the game the soonest, because honestly, I don't know who could do it the soonest. I'm interested to see what Grok can build. This is my first time ever testing what Grok can build a game, pretty much. So they're all going to get to work. They all have the exact same skill, the exact same prompt, and the exact same. The only thing that's different is they know who they are in the competition. And I let them know who they are in the competition so that they'll actually like try harder, and they're gonna defend their LLM. Just a quick little update, man. They're all going ham. Gemini's going ham. Claude's going ham. Codex is going ham. Grok is going ham. I've got they're testing the games as well. That's one of the skills that they use for the game developer. They test the games to make sure that they work, so I'm not getting an unfinished product. But I have already seen a couple of them pop up on my screen. I don't know who belongs to who, but some of them already look pretty funny and pretty good. So I'm excited to get to see these. We'll see soon. Okay, so they all have finished. They have tested the games and they are all playable now. I've got them up on my screen. Grok was done first, then Gemini, then Claude, then Codex. And Codex actually took quite a long time to finish. So let's get into it. Let's do them in order. Okay, Grok is finished first. It honestly does not look that bad for how fast it did it. It only did it in 92,000 contexts. So we got Angry Babes, Slingshot Slapstick, 3 levels of destruction, knock every husband out of the round. Okay. So all right. That was level 1 cleared easily because it didn't build it correctly. Um okay, already 1 is out. Wait, where's my drag the slingshot back, release to launch? Oh, what in the world? Okay. So there's still 2 husbands down there that I need to get. Ooh, missed. Okay. Am I about to lose this? Come on, get the husbands. I can't even. All right, the husbands held out. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should we call this a pass or a fail? Let me try one more time. It looks like it's gonna bust in there, but I can't. Ah, nothing. All right. Okay, so that was Grok. What do you guys think? I'm gonna give that from 0 to 10. I'm gonna score that at a 3, especially because the game's unplayable. It doesn't look the best, but we'll see what's next. Okay, this is Gemini. Let's go ahead and play. It doesn't look as appealing as Grok. Grok definitely did a better job at making it look good. Oh, Gemini did awful. This is ugly. This doesn't even look like Angry Babes. And the balls don't even... How did it test this? Gemini just doesn't listen. Oh, okay. So I need to sling it myself instead of releasing. That should have counted. How'd that not count? Okay, hold on. There's one more husband. Boom. He's... Oh my gosh, I can shoot this so hard. Like, you're not going to make it, I promise. Okay, easy. Easy win. All right, level 2. That guy just got himself out because he was too high in the air. Boom. Easy. Easy, man. I'm good at this game. Okay, this looks even harder. Here we go. Oh, I messed up on that one. Okay. Ugh. Why is it not working? Oh man, we're running out of balls. There we go. It's a little hard to use, but we're getting it. Oh man. Oh, I keep Oh man. All right, retry. Let's try again. Boom. Boom. Okay. Those are some big bricks. Oh, you can just cheat. I can just move the thing over. Okay, so I won. I beat Gemini's game. Gemini, you can beat Gemini, but Grok built a better performing game for sure. Even though you couldn't beat it, this was just not good. Okay, now Claude, this looks like the best looking game so far for sure. Like when it comes to like a real, like a game you would actually play. The husbands are hiding, the wives are furious. Load a babe, stretch the slingshot, and demolish every flimsy fort. These wives are mad. Okay, this doesn't look bad. Oh, this looks pretty good. Let's see how this goes. Ooh. Okay, I mean, I definitely knocked those guys down. Why didn't that count as a... Okay, there we go. We got one. Okay, this is good. This is good. I'd say this is a pretty good game. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I need to get that last one. It's a little bit lower. He's hiding right behind that thing. I need to just a little bit higher. Come on. Oh, I'm out of babes. One husband's still hiding in there. Okay. So which one was it hiding? It was actually this one up here. So let's try to get him first. How did that not knock him out? He's resilient. Boom! Body slammed him. Okay, now we just got to get this guy right here. All right. Two more babes left. Ah. Oh, here we go. Ah. My goodness. Okay, this is actually pretty good, guys. I mean, if you guys remember Angry Birds when it first came out, it wasn't the most attractive looking game. This is not horrible. If you put a little bit more work on this, I mean, this only took Claude, I think it only took maybe like 10 minutes. This didn't take long at all. You could really just build a whole game. Ah, let me just try to come from the top. Boom! Body slammed him. Okay, hold on. We got to do this again. I don't want to lose this. We're literally on round one right now. How'd that not knock him out? I would say it needs to fix, if I was to continue building these, it needs to definitely fix. There we go. We beat it. All right, round clear. Starter house. All right. Oh, wow. And he already fell. So the concrete's definitely harder. Boom, boy. You should have taken out that trash. I should have had him say stuff like that. Take out the trash. Why aren't... never mind. All right. Okay, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to beat this round. This round looks difficult. Boom, there we go. Let's come from the top. Boom. They just need to weigh more. They need to eat more. We need to have some wives that have been eating a little bit more so they can have a little bit more weight to push these down on them. Because I don't know. I don't think it's beatable, guys. I don't think it's beatable. But I'm definitely giving Claude the win so far. This is way better than Grok and Gemini. So far we have it's Claude, Grok, then Gemini. And you guys may disagree. If you guys are wanting the Angry Babes master prompt for this video, it is going to be in my free school down below, where you can also get all of my other prompts and all of my other projects for free. See you guys there. Okay, here we go. We have Codex, and Codex actually took the longest. So by standards, this should be a much better game. Launch the lineup, flatten the forts, pull back the slingshot, release, topple. Okay. All right, 3 rounds. This looks good. Boom. Busted. One shot. That was almost too easy. That was a little too easy. All right, next level. Okay, we got an Angry Babes coming in. What kind of house is that? That's not a great built house. That's going to fall apart. Okay, yeah, so it looks great. What is that? Okay, it looks cool. It's built very like it looks like a little game that you would play, but it's not built correctly, so the entire house is just gonna fall. I could just touch it. Like, let me see here. I'm just gonna touch the bottom, and the whole thing falls. Yeah, and you win. So even though it looks the best, not a well built game. So, I mean, you guys tell me. I mean, we got Claude here, Codex, Claude, Gemini, and then Grok. I think we're gonna have to give it to Claude, which was Opus 4.8. Uh, mm, this is a hard one. Who comes in second? Either Grok or Codex. I mean, you guys tell me. I think I'm gonna have to give it to Grok. I'm gonna give it to Grok for second, Codex for third, and it honestly took the longest. And then Gemini last. This is just garbage. This was awful. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. I'll see you in the next video.